Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set FaceTime notification banner style to temporary or persistent on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on FaceTime. Next, go down and tap on notifications. Then we scroll down and tap on banner style. And in here you can choose temporary or persistent. So select one of the options. Now if you do not see banner style, make sure banners are selected. If it's not selected, then banner style will not be available for you to choose. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.